officialtalkwithmv, how does responsibility strengthen your talent? When we talk about responsibility, we talk about both maturity, discipline, and diligence. Note this down. Until you become diligent in anything you do, you will never see beyond the results you are looking for. Until you become diligent in anything you do, you will never see beyond what you are looking for. Are we together now? Are we together? Responsibility strengthens your talent because you are diligent in it. You are disciplined. You are putting in a whole lot of effort. Are we together now? And each time you put in a lot of effort, diligence, discipline, you commit more to that talent, it would mature it. It will grow beyond normal. So if you want your talent to be strengthened, how do you do it responsibly? Is that number one, you become diligent. Number two, you become sacrificial. Are we together now? Number one, you become diligent. Number two, you become sacrificial. And number three is that you invest more into it. Then I can say you're a responsible person. Then I can say you are responsibly strengthening your talent. Are we together now? Let me move on. That was my answer to your question. Thank you.